In this video, we show how to replace a Boss in-1 module in a PowerEdge R7725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove a Boss in-1 module with the cover and risers 1, 3, 5, 2, and 4 removed from the system, lift up on the blue latch that secures it in place and slide it out the rear of the system. To install a Boss in-1 module, align it with the rear of the system, slide it all the way in till fully seated, and then press down on the blue latch to lock it in place. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R7725, visit dell.com/support.